Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the marquee for this job as well. So you can see I hit save portrait uploads, so all those turn green. Those are locked in now. I don't think I can get rid of those unless maybe if I went backwards they might go away, but those are safe. So now I'm gonna go for the marquee. I'm just looking it over. It looks like they've got the visitation and a funeral service. They do not have anything they want for the burial. And it also says please use the heading honoring life's memories. That's great, but that's all. We always keep that there unless they distinctly tell us not to. So that was just nice that they put it in there. So the first thing I do is just copy and paste the event information. So Command C, go to the last marquee I've used. I can click off layers we don't need. Come back and clean that up later. So I'm going to copy and paste that, or paste that new text right into here. Go back, funeral service. I'm going to make sure I've got funeral service as the header, as the headline for this side. So copy that. And it says funeral service. You have to watch it. Sometimes right here it'll say memorial service. So if it does, you just got to make sure you paste in the right area. And because there's nothing else, I'm just going to hit return. You got a couple options here. You can just delete it, but then you don't have it for next time. So I'm going to return, just get it off the picture. Or you can add a layer mask even to text. And you just make a big black box right there. But this was smaller before because it was a lot of text. So I'm going to make this bigger because I don't have any restrictions there on this. And then you can see here it says entrusted to Wright and Salmon. Well, this one doesn't have any bottom text like that, so I'm going to click that layer off as well and make sure once I take my guides off, you can see I've still got those dividers. I got to move that one up or the other one down, so click on my divider, get it centered in there, just eyeball it. And I still have the other person's name in here, so I can make sure I don't have that. I'm just going to click that layer off, and then I'm going to drag the same thing I drug over for the 8x10s over to here. And I'm just going to focus on getting him sized and placed. He just goes on the left side there. And then I click on my text layers, which were Wilbur and August. Click those two only, come up over here, turn my guides back on, make sure it's centered, and then enlarge it all the way out to about 1.5 inches or so it stands out. That's it. Hide those guides, make sure everything looks about right. Double check everything looks good over here. You can kind of put one next to the other. Everything looks like it's all in good order. That's it. File save, upload that, and your job is going to be, then you have to mark complete and your job's done.